Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to show you how to make jello with fruit. Okay? Now, if you don't want fruit in your jello, just follow the same directions. Just don't add fruit, okay? As far as fruit goes, you can add whatever you want. You can add fresh or you can add canned. Now, frozen, I don't know, you guys. I don't know about frozen. It might still stay hard. I don't know. So I use canned, and sometimes I use fresh but soft fruit. So anyway, today I'm going to be making the raspberry. Don't mind my nail, you guys. I was testing out nail polish in the store. Raspberry jello, and this is the 6-ounce. If you're using little boxes, you might want 2 of these, okay? So let me open this up, put it in the bowl, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. So what I have here is, I already poured it in the bowl, and what I have in the bowl here is 2 cups. Now I'm following the directions on the package, okay? It's very easy, you guys. You pour it in the bowl, you boil 2 cups of water, and that's exactly what I did. And I'm just going to stir it in gently. This is 2 cups of boiling water, you guys. Okay? You got to make sure that you get all that powder. I'm going to stir this, you guys, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. So I stirred it until everything was dissolved, okay? Now, here's a twist, and you don't have to do this. You could just put in 2 cups of cold water, okay? Now, this is a cup of the juice that came in the can of the fruit that I'm going to be using. Okay, I love my sliced pears. Okay, so instead of using 2 cups of cold water, I use almost 1 cup. Okay, you see it's not to the top. All the juice from the can. You can use whatever fruit you guys want. Just strain the juice and cut up the fruit like I did. You see that right here? I took the pears and I cut them up into quarters. Okay, little slices, whatever. This is almost 1 cup of the juice that the pears came in. Okay, to give it a little bit more flavor and a little bit more natural sweetness. And this is 1 cup of really cold water. Okay, like I said, you do not have to use the juice from the fruit or from the can. Just put in 2 cups of cold water. That is it. Mix it up. I just don't like to waste the juice. And it does give the jello a little bit more flavor and a little bit more natural sweetness. Because after you add in 2 cups of hot water and 2 cups of cold water, you guys, the jello's not going to be that sweet. Okay? And I mix it up. That foam goes away, by the way. Just so you know, that foam, it does go away. It's just from you mixing it. Okay? I don't want to do all that step of pouring jello in, letting it set, putting the fruit in. I don't have time for that. If you have time for that, then you can do that. Okay? Take some of this jello, pour it in another bowl, let it set, pour some fruit in, layer it up and pour some more jello in and do all that. This is just a simple one. And I keep it in this big baking dish, because I stocked up due to what we're going through right now. I hope everybody's well and safe. I stocked up my fridge. Normally, I would pour the jello into little parfait pretty bowls like this. But I don't have space in my fridge. You can separate it if you have room in your fridge. I just keep it in this big bowl, and then when I'm ready to eat the jello, I just scoop it up into a bowl. Okay? So what I do is I add my fruit. Add whatever fruit you want, guys. Mandarins, fruit cocktail, mixed fruit, whatever you want, okay? But you have to mix the jello in first, just like I did, okay? I'll mix it all up. Now, when it sets, I like my jello overnight. But it's the morning time, and it should be set within 8 hours or so. So by tonight, it should be set, but I like it overnight, really. Mix it in, make sure everything's incorporated. And there you go, the foam will go away. I can hear it going down. Okay, so don't worry about the foam. If you're that worried about the foam, scoop it out with a spoon, like this. You see that? Just scoop it out if that worries you. But it's actually liquid, you guys. The jello will, the foam will settle down. I'm not going to waste any of that, so I'm going to leave it alone. Put it in the fridge for 8 hours or overnight is best. And you guys will see in the thumbnail the finished product. I'll see you guys later. Stay well, stay safe, and be kind, okay? Be kind. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care.